boys and girls. Today this is your math lesson, and today we're going to continue learning about positional words. But before we learn about that, I want to go over the numbers and the shapes again, okay? So let's get started. Okay, this is number 1, and this is how we show it with our hands, with our fingers, right? 1. Here's one little dot. And if you can draw it in the air, you start at the top and then you go straight down. And that's number 1. This is number 2. And this is how we show it with our fingers. Put two fingers up. And these are 2 dots, 1 and 2. And to draw it in the air, you start here and you make like a curve. And then you go straight out. That's a number 2. So if you can do that with your fingers, go like that, in the air, draw it in the air. Good job. That's number 2. This is number 3. And this is how we show it with 3 fingers. And here we have 3 dots. 1, 2, 3. And this is how we write number 3. Do like a little curve and then another one. So try doing that with your finger in the air. Okay. This is number 4. This is how we show number 4 with our fingers, and we have 4 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is how we draw it. You can draw it with your finger in the air. You go down, you go this way, and then you go down again. Okay? This is number 5, and we show one hand, open hand with all our fingers to show number 5. And here we have 5 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is how we draw or write number 5. You can do it in the air. You make one line going this way, then you come down, and then you make like a little curve all around. Okay, that's number 5. Try to do them at home with your finger in the air. This is number 6, and this is how we show it with our hands. We open all one hand, and then on the other hand, one finger, okay? And we have 6 dots here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this is how we draw it. You start at the top, and you go down, and then you make like a loop, like a little circle, and then you have number 6. This is number 7, and this is how we show it with our hands. 5 fingers, one hand open, and then 2 more fingers, okay? And here we have 7 dots, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And this is how you can draw it with your finger in the air. You make a line going this way, and then you come down, and that's a 7. Okay, this is number 8, and this is how we show it with our hands. It's one whole open hand, 5 fingers, and then 3 more next to it. And here we have 8 circles or 8 dots. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And this is how you draw number 8. You go like this, like an S. Okay, sorry guys, somebody came into my room. So the way you do 8 is you can do like an S and then come back. But if that's too hard for you right now, you can do one little circle or one little ball and then another little ball. Okay, so that's number 8. Mom and Dad, they don't have to write it down. We're just trying to do it in the air, but I'm just trying to explain to them. Okay, next one is number 9. And this is how we show with our hands or our fingers. So one whole open hand with 5 fingers and then 4 more. And this is 9 circles or 9 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And this is how you can draw it. You can make like a little circle in the air and then a stick coming down. Okay, so that's number 9. Next we have number 10, and this is how we show 10. We show it with both of our hands open, showing all of our 10 fingers. And here we have 10 dots or 10 circles, so we're going to count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And this is how we write 10. It's just one stick going down and then one circle. And I know you're learning how to do sticks and circles in writing. So this kind of helps if you can do it in the air. One stick going down and then one circle. Okay? Good job. So we're going to do it this time, but we're going to count this time. We're going to go a little bit faster since I already explained everything. You ready? Count with me. When you see the number, you count, you say it, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job, you did it. Okay, so now we're going to go over the shapes. Okay, so we're going to go over the shapes. Do you remember what shape is this? This is a circle. Go ahead and draw a circle with your finger in the air like this. It's just like a ball. Oops, my circle was a little bit crooked. Try to do that with your finger. Circle. Good job. Okay, the next shape is, what is that? Do you remember this one? It is a triangle. Good job. Triangle. Go ahead with your finger, draw it in the air. Mom and Dad, make sure they're trying to do it or that they're doing it right. If they're not, please help them out. That's the triangle. What shape is this? This is a square. Okay, go ahead and draw a square with your finger in the air. Remember, the square, all of its sides are the same size, right? Good job. Here comes a tricky one. What is that? That's a rectangle. Okay, remember, rectangle has 2 long sides and 2 short sides. Okay, all right, go ahead and draw it with your finger. You can start right here. One long line going down, one short line going this way, another long line going up, and then this short line that meets with the long line. Good job. Okay, so those were the shapes. Now we're going to talk about positional words. Do you remember what positional words are? Remember, position words are words that tell us where things are, whether up, down, under, or beside. Okay? Okay, I want to show you this video, and it also has positional words. It tells you where things are. Okay, let's watch a little bit of it. And it's called Where Am I Now?
Hey, hey, I'm standing next to a monkey. Oh yeah, now I'm under a tree. Hey, hey, there's a banana on top of me. Look out, I'm running around a monster. I'm hiding in front of a wall, you see. Oh no, there's a hungry dragon beside me. Where am I? Where am I now? Where am I? Where am I now? Hey, hey, I'm on top of a dinosaur. Oh no, I fell off the dinosaur. Hey, hey, I'm hiding inside a big box. Look out, I'm outside of the box now. Hey, hey, I'm above all the clouds. That means everything is below me. Where am I? Where am I now? Where am I? Where am I now? Hey, hey, now I'm far away. Oh yeah, now I'm very near. Look out, I'm in between 2 big mean giants. Hey, hey, I'm jumping up and down. between. Where am I now? Behind. To the left. Where am I? To the right. Where am I now? Down. Below. Where am I? Near. Where am I now? Far. Backwards. Forwards.
Okay, that was the where am I now, and it had positional words. Okay, now I'm going to read you a quick book about positional words. This story is called Paige, the Position Pig. So this little pig right here, his name is, or her name is Paige. Can you help me find Paige? Where is Paige? Paige is inside the house. See how she's inside the house? Can you help me find Paige? Where is Paige? Paige is outside the house. See, there's a house and she's outside. Can you help me find Paige? Where is Paige? Paige is beside the house. So see, she's beside. Here's a house and she's beside the house. Those are positional words. Beside is a positional word. Can you help me find Paige? Where is Paige? Paige is on top of the table. See how she's on top? The table's right here and she's on top of the table. Can you help me find Paige? Where is Paige? Paige is under the table. She's under the table. The table's right here and she's under it. Can you help me find Paige? Where is Paige? Paige is in between the two chairs. See? Here's the chairs, and Paige is in between. In between means kind of like in the middle. Can you help me find Paige? Where is Paige? Paige is behind the couch. See, the couch is right here and she's behind it. Can you help me find Paige? Where is Paige? Paige is in front of the sink. So here's the sink. She's right here. She's in front of it. Can you help me find Paige? Where is Paige? Paige is standing over her fork. See her fork? And she's standing over it. Can you help me find Paige? Where is Paige? Paige is in her bed. She went to sleep. Okay? Alright, guys. Alright, that was your math lesson for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Check on Google Classroom and I will have instructions on what assignment you need to turn in for this lesson. Thank you. Bye-bye.